yeah, yeah. Express my love for you. Wow. So welcome back to another vlog, and ngayong araw, yeah, I got my shoes. I got some SB Dunks. Another shoe in my collection. Thank you, mother. Hehe. Meron akong tatlong test sa tatlong different subject. Review ako kagabi and I kinda pull an all-nighter, not really. Pero hindi ako kagad natulog. Yan, papasok na ako ng school. Kaya mamaya na lang. Ayun, palis na ako. So, let's go. Meron akong naisip na gawin. Let's talk about the Nike Dunk Lows. Bago yung mga sapatos, let's look at the box. Yan, ito yung difference ng box. Regular orange na Nike box. And ito, yan nakasulat SB. SB stands for skateboarding. Yan. And kulay purple. Sa loob ng box, yung paper ng SB is mas makapal. And may green na lining. Sa loob merong sticker na Nike SB. Hindi ko napansin to nung binuksan ko yung box. The regular one, you see the regular paper, yung sobrang nipis na paper, and oil. Yeah, yun lang yung pagkakaiba niya sa box. Let's get into the shoes. Ayan. Nakikita niyo naman, sobrang magkamukha lang ng mga sapatos na to, pero yung mismong build ng sapatos is magkaiba. Dito sa bandang part ng sapatos na to, dito sa regular Dunk Low, manipis. Ito, yung tong part ng sapatos na to. Yan, kung nakikita niyo naman, manipis. And then, dito sa SB Dunk Low is mas makapal and mas maraming padding. Yan, makapal. Parang mukha ng kapitbahay niya na Marites. Yeah! Anyways, that's the first difference. Next, laces. Kung nakikita niyo naman dito, yan, wax na flat laces. And then dito, yung regular na round laces lang. Yan. Next, yung tang. Kita niyo naman dito, manipis yung tang. And yeah, normal na tang lang ng sapatos. Ito sa SB, mas maraming foam sa loob and mas komportable, I would say. Yeah. Next is outsole. Ang gitna ng outsole is malambot. Ayan. Foam. I don't know what it's called. And then next, insoles. Dito sa SB Dunk, may extra padding ulit. Dahil nga pang skateboard. Ayan. Extra padding and may air unit dito. Banda. Parang yung GT cut ko na pang basketball. Ayan. Then the last part is yung lapad ng sapatos. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Mas malapad itong Dunk Low kaysa dito sa SB. Ayan. Mas narrow itong SB kaysa dito sa regular. Ayan. Magkaiba yung lapad ng sapatos. That is basically it. Overall, magkamukha lang. Well, they're different. Hindi to regular lang na Dunk Low. Special edition to. Hindi to general release. Ito yung Setsuban or Setsubun. I don't know how to pronounce it. And general release to. Yeah. Yun lang. A little information about the shoes that I have. A little more information about the Nike Dunk. Originally, nag-release sila ng Nike Dunks in 1985 and ito yung mga kasabayan ng Jordan and all other basketball shoes back then. And yes, these shoes were used for basketball. Hindi ko alam paano nila ginawa yon and how they played in them. But yeah, this is not a basketball shoe. Well, hindi to yung actual na version na Dunk Low. I think it was the Dunk High na pinang-basketball nila. Pero I don't know how they did it. That's it for the shoe topic. just a little information about my shoes. Please, I need your help. Comment down below kung anong prank na pwede kong gawin sa mama ko. Yung hindi na nakakagulat na prank dahil nga may palpitation siya. Yung may mangyaring masama sa kanya. Yung mga simpleng prank lang na magagalit lang siya. Yan. Parang yung last prank lang. Yeah, please comment down below. Sobrang alerto niya na ngayon eh. Nung nakaraan, hinihiram ko lang yung cellphone niya. Sabi niya, prank mo ko. No? Sabi ko naman, hindi. Dahil nga wala na akong maisip. Please, comment down below. I need your help for content. Dahil wala na akong maisip na content. Yeah. Comment down below. Please. Let's make this day a little better than nakigalang ako dito. Tara mag-badminton. Hindi nyo alam, marunong ako mag-badminton. And yeah, mag-badminton kami ng mama ko. Tapos na kaming mag-badminton ng mama ko. And I want to talk about something. This video is the first time na I reviewed the sneaker. Magta-transition na ba ako sa sneaker content vlogs? No, I would never do that. Hindi naman sa ayaw ko yung sneaker content na vlog. It's just oversaturated. In my opinion, sobrang dami ng YouTuber na topic is shoes. I just want to keep it na yung lifestyle vlog lang na. Yung parang dino-document ko lang yung buhay ko and dina-upload ko sa YouTube. I'll keep doing what I'm doing. Sana maging successful ako sa run na to. Hopefully. Hindi naman masamang mangarap. Aim for the sky. Wise man once said, aim for the sky. At least pag bumagsak ka or mahulog ka man, mahuhulog ka sa bubungan. Yun lang. A little yapping session once again.